Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So we are back with the interview type question for your practice question number 35. So let's see the question now. Activation of P53 in response to DNA damage can lead to either cell arrest or cell cycle arrest or apoptosis. Yes. How can P53 lead to both outcomes? So how could you tell, how could a cell balance these different responses to achieve optimal results in terms of cell fate? So ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया है एंड क्वेश्चन बहुत डायरेक्ट है. सिंपल सी बात में पूछा गया है P53 जब होता है एक्टिवेट based on what it can either go the cell cycle arrest or the apoptosis, right? So दोनों का फेट P53 डिसाइड कर रहा है कैसे ये इस चीज को बैलेंस करता है. तो बहुत ही सिंपल है, ये हमने ऑलरेडी लेक्चर सीरीज में किया हुआ है कूपर के. So activation of P53 in response to DNA damage. Okay, so we are talking here about the DNA damage. So when P53 gets activated in response to the DNA damage, it leads to the expression of its target genes, which will include CDK inhibitor हो गया जैसे कि आपका P21 हो गया and the pro-apoptotic BCL2 family members, ठीक है, जैसे कि प्यूमा एंड नॉक्सा. सो ये हमने डिस्कस किया हुआ है. सो व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ डीएनए डैमेज, it is going to target the expression of the genes which are going to induce the expression of CDK inhibitor, that is P21, and the BCL2 family proteins like Puma and Noxa. ठीक है. Now P21 का क्या काम है? It is going to induce the cell cycle arrest and the apoptotic proteins or the family members, they are going to induce apoptosis, है ना. तो अभी हमें मालूम है P21 का सेल साइकिल अरेस्ट है और प्यूमा नॉक्सा या BCL2 फैमिली मेंबर्स का एपोप्टोसिस है. Now if induction of pro-apoptotic genes requires high level of P53 than the induction of cell cycle genes, then what will happen? So it is going to undergo the apoptosis. ठीक है. Now in the other way, if the induction of CDK inhibitor P21, that is cell cycle arrest, is required more, okay, induction of this is required more by the P53, then it is undergoing cell cycle arrest and not apoptosis. तो इस तरह से P53 जो है बैलेंस कर लेता है दोनों को. ठीक है. So I hope this was clear. नहीं हुआ है तो please let me know. And this was really very direct. If you have been watching the lecture series, in that we have taken this very direct consequences of P53 in response to cell cycle arrest as well as the apoptosis. So guys, thank you for watching this and let me know your thoughts regarding this question. Thank you.